Okay, sir.
So let's start. Yesterday we have learned RP and RA. What is RP? Distance, that is perigee, hai na? So we have learned this yesterday. That is RP is equal to, what is the formula? What is the formula? A into 1
into 1
minus
minus E.
E. And another one apogee, that is what? A into 1 plus.
1
1
plus C.
plus
1 plus C, sir.
Right. Now on these formulas, let's solve some problems. Ready? So first I will solve, next you
Yes, sir.
can solve, okay? So see here problem. A satellite is a satellite is in an elliptical orbit around the earth with aphelion of 6R and perihelion. Aphelion means apogee, perihelion means perigee, okay? Perihelion of 2R where R is radius of earth, that is R is equal to 6,400 kilometers. 6,400 kilometers. Find eccentricity of ellipse. Find eccentricity of ellipse. Okay. So first of all, see how to solve this question. First of all, given क्या क्या है देखो. Given is RA is equal to 6R and RP is equal to 2R. And what he is asking, eccentricity is equal to how much? So basically, if we will see this side, you can see here. Now, as this is a satellite, hai na? What is this? Satellite. So what is at foci? Tell me, Earth or Sun? Yes, what will be at foci? Earth or Sun?
Earth.
Very good.
Earth, sir.
Earth, because satellite is going to revolve around the Earth. Yes. And here is what? Satellite, which is in yellow color. You can see here. This yellow color is satellite. Okay. So this is Earth and this is satellite. Okay. Now this distance is what? Follow. This distance is what? RA.
2R.
This distance is
peri-
RP. Wrong or right?
Wrong, sir.
Then what should be there?
RP is the distance from the Earth to the Sun.
So that
The
is what
closest
is
distance.
called perigina, apogena. Yes. So this is what? Perigee. This is what?
Perigee.
Apogee.
Apo.
And this is already given. है ना? So 2R and 6R. Okay. Now we have formula C above. RP is equal to A into 1 minus E, which is equal to 2R. Can I write like this? Yes. And RA is equal to A into 1 plus E, which is equal to 6R. Yes. Now I am dividing these two. What I am doing? I am dividing these two. So what I will get? A into 1 minus E divided by A into 1 plus E is equal to 2R by 6R. Yes? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now, can
Yes,
you do
sir.
from
Yes,
here?
sir.
This R cancel, this A cancel. 2s are, this is 3, and now cross multiply. So 3 into 1 minus E is equal to 1 into 1 plus E. And therefore 3 minus 3E is equal to 1 plus E. Transfer E terms this side and this term that side. So what you will get? 3 minus 1 is equal to E plus 3E. Therefore 2 is equal to 4E, and therefore E is equal to 2 by 4. So how much is eccentricity? 1 by 2, which is equal to 0.5.
1 by 2.
Yes, understood? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Clearly understood, everyone? Yes. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to the next page?
Sir,
Yes,
once
sir.
explain, sir, this last step.
Yes. Yes, finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Yes, definitely I will upload, don't worry. Okay, next question. Let's go to the next question. Now you have to solve this. So do it carefully, don't commit any mistake. A satellite is in an elliptic orbit around the earth with apogee 44R and perigee 11R. Calculate eccentricity. Calculate eccentricity. Calculate eccentricity of orbit. And given क्या है r is equal to 6,400 kilometers. Can you do it? Do it fast. Start doing.
Three by five.
Okay, first answer is 3 by 5. Srinidhi. Now tell me unit for eccentricity. As yesterday I told you, eccentricity is ratio of distance, है ना? Ratio of distance. So meter will get cancelled. So that's why there is no unit. Anirudh also
Yes,
3 by 5. Yes, everyone got 3 by 5. Yes, everyone got 3 by 5.
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
necessary to solve? Is it necessary to solve? Everyone
sir.
got?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
everyone. No one
Yes, sir.
left.
Yes, sir, got.
Okay, then also I am just solving fast. See here, what is given? Tell me, RP how much?
11 hours.
How much? 11 R. Okay, RA is how much? How
44
much?
hour.
44 R. Now direct I am doing eccentricity. He is asking. So A into 1 minus E divided by A into 1 plus E is equal to 11 R by 44 R. This R cancel, A cancel. This is 4. So 4 into A minus E is equal to 1 plus E. And this is 4. ये 1 है ना? 1 minute. This is 1, right? है कि नहीं? यहाँ पे 1 आना चाहिए. 1 minus E is equal to 1 plus E. So this is 4 minus 4E is equal to 1 plus E. And this is 4 minus 1 is equal to E plus 4E. So therefore how much? 3 is equal to 5E. And therefore E is equal to 3 by 5. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
there is
sir.
no unit for eccentricity because it is a ratio of distance. So don't keep any unit. Ready for next problem? मजा आ रहा है? Easy है ना? Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Easy.
sir.
Okay, good. So let's go to the next problem. Now little bit different model. Problem number kitna? What is the problem number?
3, sir.
3, sir.
3. Okay. Problem number 3. Right. Now, see here. The eccentricity of elliptical orbit. Eccentricity of elliptical orbit is 1 by 2. Calculate the ratio of perigee to the apogee. The ratio of perigee to apogee. Ratio of perigee to apogee. Can you do it yourself? Can you do it? Okay, first answer is 1/3. Okay. Next answer 1/3. Yes. So everyone is getting? Yes or no? Getting or not? Yes, everyone is getting one. Yes, Nisha Baheti 1:3. Anirudh also 1:3. Harshavardhan 1:3. Okay. Srinidhi Priya. Okay. Right. Next one, Rangaraj also 1:3. Vaishnavi 1:3. Okay. Necessary to solve? No need, no. Can you do it yourself? So see, given
Yes,
is what
sir.
here? Given is E is equal to 1/2. And what he is asking, RP by RA is equal to question mark. So हमें पता है RP is equal to what रे? A into 1 minus E, and RA is equal to A into 1 plus E. So therefore RP by RA is equal to A into 1 minus E by A into 1 plus E. Now this A and this A will get cancelled. Substitute the value 1 minus 1/2 divided by 1 plus 1/2. हाँ बोलो 1 plus 1/2 कितना? Yes. How much?
3/2.
This is above is what?
3/2.
1/2 divided by 2 into 1 plus 1. How much this is? 3/2. 2 to cancel.
3/2.
So how much you are getting? 1:3.
1/3.
So RP
1/3, sir.
by RA is what? 1:3. Understood? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Now one more problem. Let's see who will solve this now. थोड़ा सा different model है. Try to solve yourself. Okay? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So see the problem, how they are asking. This is problem number 5 or 4?
4, sir.
4, sir.
Okay. Problem number 4. A satellite is in elliptical orbit is in elliptical orbit about the earth radius is given how much? 6,400 kilometers. At perigee it has an altitude means height, okay? Altitude of 1100 kilometer, and at the apogee its altitude is 4,100 kilometer. 4,100 kilometer. Is it looking like 4,100? Yes, or shall I write again?
Clear only, sir.
Okay, 4,100 kilometer. The major axis of the orbit is, the major axis of the orbit is. Now you see here 1,500. ना श्रीनिधि ना, ये नहीं है, ठीक से देखो, because earth is not a point object now. 2,600 no, ना सोचो सोचो, ठीक से सोचो. I will give you hint. Shall I give hint or no need? 5,200 na 3,000 uddu radu wrong. Shall I give hint? Uddu, tell me. Yes. You are near, Srinidhi. Srinidhi, you are near. Srinidhi Priya, you are near. ठीक से सोचो, थोड़ा सा सोचो. Yes. ना अनिरुद्ध ना, तू थोड़ा दूर गया, ठीक से देख. अर्थ का रेडियस 6,400 है. नहीं, नो अक्षिता. नहीं 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 नहीं, नो, सोचो. What we have to find? Major axis, not the semi major axis. Srinidhi Priya, Srinidhi, we have to find major axis, not semi major axis. Srinidhi, understood? हाँ, अब आ गया आंसर. यस, श्रीनिधि प्रिया को आ गया, देखो. यस, अंडरस्टूड नो? हाँ, देखो मैं सॉल्व करता हूँ, बाकी के लोग देखो. यस यस, राइट. Now see here, he is asking major axis. Major axis means this complete part he is asking. Understand? Now what he has given, this is given. How much this is? बोलो, पेरीजी. पेरीजी कितना है? 1100 है ना? तो RP is equal to 1100. उसके बाद ये डिस्टेंस भी गिवन है. Which one? This distance is also given. How much this is? बोलो बोलो. This is RA है ना? How much RA? 4,100 kilometer. And now see here, this is center of the earth, means if I want this complete distance, this is what rate? 2R, which is diameter of that. Yes, no? Understanding? This is what diameter of the earth. Yes. So this is what 2r. है कि नहीं? Yes. This is what diameter of earth. And that's why if suppose this is A point, this is O point, and this is B point, you have to find AB. Yes. So major axis we have to find, and that's why major axis is equal to 2A, which is equal to AB, and therefore AB is equal to 2A is equal to RP plus diameter of earth. So this is the D of E I am writing, plus this RA. So this is equal to RP plus 2 times radius of earth plus RA. हाँ तो अल्टीट्यूड ही है ना, यहां से अर्थ सरफेस से लेके ये अल्टीट्यूड ही रहता है ना. यस, ये तो 3 डायमेंशन वाला फिगर है ना, तो ऊपर ही रहेगा ना ऑब्जेक्ट अर्थ से. ये जो है कि नहीं, समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ या ना? यस, 18,000. यस, 18,000. निवेदिता, हर्षवर्धन, सुजन. यस यस, हाँ यस यस. तो अब ऐड करो, देखो कितना होता है. So this is RP. RP is how much? 1100 plus 2 into 6400 plus this RA how much? 4100. Add this all, how much you are getting? 1100 plus this 2 into 6400. कितना होगा? Yes, बोलो. How much?
1280, sir.
12,800. सही है क्या? सही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. अब इसके बाद जो 4100 है वो भी ऐड करो, तो आपको क्या आ जाएगा? सेमी मेजर एक्सिस. बोलो. यस, कितना आएगा? So therefore AB is equal to 2A
18,000.
is equal to 18,000 kilometer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt you can ask now? Any doubt? Yes, Balaji, do you have any doubt? Balaji, yes, you got an answer. Yes, Nichal Balaji got answer. Balaji, कोई doubt है? Yes. Okay. Siri, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, तो चलो नेक्स्ट पेज पे चलेंगे. Yes. Shall we go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am giving 2-3 problems as a homework. Will you do it? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Easy है
Yes,
ना?
sir.
Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So देखो अब होमवर्क में क्या क्या आ रहा है. Yes. So problem number 1, given Rp is equal to 11 R of P Rp. Okay, listen, wait. Don't start immediately. Wait, first listen the question. Ra is equal to 22 Rp and find out E if Rp is equal to 1 by 4 times radius of Earth, and radius of Earth is equal to how much? 6,400 kilometer. Understand? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Given eccentricity of elliptical orbit is 0.75 and A is equal to, A means what? Distance of foci from center of ellipse, है ना? A is 3,200 kilometer. Then what is the RA is equal to question mark, RP is equal to question mark, and this is A bit. Okay, in this A, this is B, and this is C. RA is to RP is equal to how much? Understand? Questions you understood? Yes, you do it in a classwork only. And yes, A is a semi major axis. No, यहाँ पे A is not, यहाँ पे ये A नहीं रुको, यहाँ पे जो A है उसके वजह मैं C लेता हूँ क्योंकि ये सेमी मेजर एक्सिस नहीं है. This is a C. C means what? C is distance of focus from the what we can say, center of ellipse. Here I am drawing diagram. You know no C. हमने देखा था ना, E is equal to C by A formula है ना, है कि नहीं? कुछ फॉर्मूला है ना? Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes,
ये जो
sir.
है, हाँ, वेरी गुड डाउट. एक मिनट रुको, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ थोड़ा सा. Here see what is the C distance. If this is a ellipse, this is not semi major axis. Okay, so this is a intersection point we can say, and suppose this is a focus, this is a focus, then this distance is nothing but C from this center to the focus. Understood? This is what given here. And when you are using this formula na, wait. If I will give like this problem, can you solve? Because you require A only, no? Yes, no, A only require na? Okay, then you do one thing. Yes, let it be like this. Keep it here A only, because you can't solve like that. A only should be given. Yes, ये जो A है, ये सेमी मेजर एक्सिस ये ऐसे रखो, ठीक है? Yes, सेमी मेजर एक्सिस ही ले लो. Then only you will be able to solve all. Yes, right है ना? अब ठीक है? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
हाँ.
sir.
Can you solve now? चेक करो एक बार. सॉल्व कर सकते हो ना अब? A. Okay, सेमी मेजर एक्सिस.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
राइट, ये सॉल्व करो अब, ठीक है ना? सब कुछ देखो, एक बार चेक करो. A is given, so eccentricity is given, you can find out this all, right? And here also what I have asked, eccentricity I have asked. Okay, I think you can do it now, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
so do it yourself and send me the solution. Let's stop here for today. Bye. Enjoy the day.
Thank you, sir.